how to make Fortnite in Infinity Crafts, Neal.fun step by step. So if you want to make Fortnite in Infinity Craft Neal.fun, then what you need to do is first you just need to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. And I'll be here with Google Chrome browser. So simply open up a browser and then go for the search and search for Neal.fun or Neal.fun. Once you've searched here, you will have Infinite Craft. Simply click on Infinite Craft and here it will take you to the Infinite Craft, right? So now to make Fortnite in Infinity Craft, you just need to follow the steps. So simply watch this video. So that's it. That's how you can make Fortnite. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.